she's mounted. Good enough that we can take the cherry picker off anyway. Alright, so the first thing I did was secured that top motor mount there. And then that one right there on the transmission. Once those two are secured, you can get the cherry picker out of the way. The motor will sit there on his own. So what I'm going to do now is lift up the car, put the rear mount and the front mount in, and then the motor will be secure. Then you can go about hooking up all the other crap. So that's what we're going to do now. So get your 3 rear motor mount bolts started, and get your front motor mount bolts in. That one there, that one there. Get them started, and then you can tighten them up. So here's a little trick that I do to get the lower ball joints back in on these, because you have to pop the lower ball joint to get the axles back in the transmission and to get them out in the beginning. So what I do is I take a ratchet strap, hook the lug, and I run it over to the tow hook over there. And I use that as like a little mini winch to pull that side. And then the same thing on this side. Another ratchet strap hooked over, and then I just ratchet them evenly, and I lift it with my screw jack. You can use a floor jack, you can use anything to lift that, and then you just line it up using the ratchet straps, kind of like turnbuckles. And you just line it up, and then all you got to do is lower down your thing, and the ball joint will line right up.